Understanding miscarriage bleeding duration.
Hello, and welcome to our in-depth discussion on the topic of miscarriages. Today, we're specifically going to focus on the duration of bleeding associated with a natural miscarriage. Miscarriages can be a difficult subject to talk about, but they're a part of many people's reproductive journeys. Knowledge is power, and understanding the process can provide comfort in a time of stress.
What is a miscarriage?
A miscarriage is a pregnancy loss that occurs before the 20th week of gestation. Miscarriages can be a physically and emotionally taxing experience, but they are quite common, occurring in about 10 to 20% of known pregnancies.
What happens during a miscarriage?
During a miscarriage, the body expels the pregnancy tissue, which includes the fetus and placenta. This process often involves bleeding and cramping. It's important to know that the specifics of these symptoms can vary widely from person to person. The volume, duration, and intensity of bleeding, for instance, can depend on numerous factors, including the duration of the pregnancy prior to the miscarriage.
How long does bleeding last during a miscarriage?
The average duration of bleeding during a natural miscarriage is typically 1 to 2 weeks. This bleeding may begin as spotting and then become heavier, similar to a menstrual period. However, it can also be lighter or heavier than this. If the bleeding lasts for more than 2 weeks, or becomes progressively heavier, it's important to consult a healthcare provider. Similarly, if the bleeding is accompanied by severe pain, a high fever, or other concerning symptoms, these can be signs of complications that need immediate medical attention.
How is the bleeding managed?
During the miscarriage process, it's advised to use pads instead of tampons to manage the bleeding and to reduce the risk of infection. Remember to rest and take care of yourself, and do not hesitate to seek medical assistance if you are concerned about your symptoms. Experiencing a miscarriage can be a challenging event, and it's vital to arm yourself with knowledge and understanding. The duration of bleeding can vary, but on average, it lasts between 1 to 2 weeks. Always remember that your health is paramount, and seeking medical advice when needed is crucial. We hope this information provides some clarity and support during this difficult time.